BD áirithe go da bu dhíist. Ha mixer has tanio mixer go go ceist dulich síise a céad beámí chanéich mi sían na se gra. Ach ma haus an bríonrum sitting gaibh teacrach chur go Cluicheamaid Twitter agus céitimíir sin caran gach 5 minute sin nó mar sin san bheirt beach gan ain. Dhéalas chusan ha mixer déanú seo bhac upad tuachta runna seo ach dú a ddíireach an dhéala sealtain chat chaitiad. Röver choracin ach caú cumi sin dal na hea hí siad na sydd gain déanú. Ooh. Oh, seáin na dahanú le I bhfuil geall neo tearacán. Chaniel. Dé dámaha. Oh, stalam pwrpi. Dwi'n siŵr gyfeil edrych pwrpi agus da sin car colach car an turquoise in yeah pink package it's mentioned purpi oh can you listen to that bit oh well tell him and Crìon fiction a hain sheitig na lavan or hay hier nog hin derf de lavan glachtig nu had garke boer Dankjewel Hesjen tell him a scrappy Jedi hacking Genial, yes, Harry. Here the back is here, the Kiri, Ruta Hasha. Oh wow, split saber. Okay, LP plus X. Oh, Shatira Kursan. Oh well, I shouldn't. It's good. Oh wow. Okay. Stop shot. Stop again. I had shin. Crew it. Kajak. Indigo. Should have died. Should have died. Cyan. No died. Can we see indigo at last? Right. GT resolve. Ino Cordova. My Gito. Nutrition fed nectar, power and control too. Katalama. Passion and strength. GT and resolve. Peace and justice. Put GT and resolve. Let's tell him elemental nature. Session. GX here. Stone Jinkajak. Session. Their sons could be get around like Carl of us second. And that's Seer and that's oh Stonation. Dolomite. Shit's not good joke. Here barak the details. Hitching the Dolomite. Shashin, Scanial Hain, I guess. Snatcher or something. Fosh, yeah. Genial Sinead, Helson be a cow. Smashing, so you can come along. Barn and yell. Skill tree. Penguin er sanna crib skill in akin. Verach. Right. Vel an imperach er nach. Scania. Ich kann mir damit Cluicheamaid seo díst. Cal has him. Oh, go hit him. The lung. Okay. You know, camera can hit me with that stuff. Right, this is. Ah. Hey. Bottleneck. Listen.
Okay, I got this.
Nicht. Cimar nach do bhaid sinne go chomód seo. Níl seo sean Jedi Temple. Chanílas I ferch go bheith imperach gal. Oops.
I copy you. Whole squad is down.
This a rod above.
Surrender. I'll make you pay. Let's take him on. Move in. Come on and fight us. Let's put an end to this. Get the Jedi.
Goed, maar. Goed.
Are you gonna kill us all? Got a hit on the target. Eyes on it. They can't all be dead. Can they?
Yo. Oh. Didn't matter how savage that's again, sure. J? No. Oh.
Your odds of surviving are low. Very low. Damage sustained. Unproductive, human.
Okay, McLean. Good.
Thanks, buddy.
Good, man. Who's it? North.
Hostile spotted. Grasping opponent. Unstable. Mashing opponent.
No, I could be good needing guy. Throw it. Throw it, man.
Trivial opposition.
Ah. Yeah.
Competent. Intelligent compromise. Stand still.
Okay. In and out.
Collision indisputable.
Okay. Okay.
Mortality probable.
Yuck.
I
Okay.
need help, bud.
Wel, mi talu ti na chael ti'n yn mwy yn ei
In range. Moving
Ig gymaint o'r un iach ys cyntiach na'n rami tirach o ffyrach. Bydd y weis y clac ag a lightsaber throw ac yn. Hey. How are you?
Let's take a look.
Jeham byd. down there.
Hard to look at these crystals after everything we went through.
Reevaluating attacks. Giant strike confirmed.
Oh, it's sitting a slow o'clock. Díach fiocin rí sé game seo chéine go ní lei seo. Oh, yuck.
You cannot escape.
Yuck. Okay.
Cellular.
Oh, wow. Okay. Tá é le dí cáil. Mi tíach gabhris go bh féime go iadú le bharabh. Tíach cet tuite éich go bhfuil duine go cantan sin a níl I trás. Throat is fishing.
You will regret that. Dodge detected. Unproductive human.
Okay. In an ile. Right. Well, slia ile am. We tíach sa jed cíteach na hebh tíach a muirste nuirna seo. That is it, man.
No match for you, right?
Jehan.
Dear, we need to get out of here. They've taken over Ilum.
Are you all right?
No,
Ilum.
they spotted me. And that's not all. They're mining kyber crystals.
Captain, prepare for takeoff.
Vitality gone.
Yuck.
You cannot escape. Large damage initiated.
Oh, oof. Okay. Yeah, more than health feature again. Dachas could be at your son. Ah, and you should actually. Son picking Portugal. Oh, ni dachas. Scania. Oh. Fishing. Fish. Return. Okay, hello, Harchin.
That's a blow to morale. I'll get you. Watch yourselves. How did you kill them all?
Okay. Shouldn't have shot. Okay. Yeah, sniper I should know. Silly hell. Yep. Rocket. Okay.
Was that a person? They come for us next. You, and him. He's on the run.
Engine.
Stay on you.
Throat. Machine iron.
I see movement.
Oh, love.
After him.
Okay.
Find him. Watch out, or you'll be next. You want to handle this?
Right.
We'll vanquish you.
Yeah. Yuck. Okay. Finish it. This way. Oh. One thing. Oh, Shin.
Stim BD.
Shot. Okay. Okay. Yuck. Right. Knock a shot line. Yep. Throw it. Ah.
Allied unit
Yeah.
down. This one's mine. Lethargic movement. That. Just wait me.
That's my.
Quick.
Mm-hmm.
Stand against me.
Engine.
Stim, please.
Idzie já. Right, it's a. Vieja dish.
You're lighting up Imperial channels. They're sending everything they've got at you.
Are you in Greece safe?
We're laying low, but the storm's clearing. We won't have any cover soon.
What about disguising the Mantis' signal?
That trick only works if they're not expecting it. I have another idea.
Ooh. Zeltje hound.
I've sliced through their encryption. I'm scrambling transmissions, but it won't be long before they're restored. Hopefully it'll buy us some time.
Thank you. There's stormtroopers everywhere.
Ilum was our planet, Cal. Don't let them forget that.
Sinna go there. Right, gan sin fáis an here. Some the stems féimeáil sin an dhís. Shalom here Twitter. Fiach bhfuil duine go blin. Cos na fil. Cúmi sin yarn ma. Right, an seama there seo. Oh, feared. Fish it there.
Steady. Gun
Okay.
fire. Gun opening. Jedi's dangerous.
Chad. Is it? Uh-huh.
Inferior Jedi.
Oh, Snowtrooper.
Trivial opposition. Scanners failing.
Shima.
Reflecting attack.
Yuck. Oh. Shin. Right.
Erect up 100% accurate. Go get him. I'll bet I could beat you.
Shin.
They've broken through and called reinforcements. Every Star Destroyer in the sector is on their way here. If they get here
Yeah.
before you do.
No, we didn't come all this way to get captured. I'll be there.
Okay.
Cedar,
I thought
we've
it's
got
not.
company. Tell Grease to close the Mantis.
What? With the Empire on your tail? Are you crazy, kid?
Trust me.
We do. We'll close the ship.
Go dá you. Ha! Yeah! Ding me seo chach ar san. Dú tíach an an. Oh, well, this is really... Yep, had that activated. Great. Probably key. Yeah, clock me. Look at that.
Door stim!
Breathing glitch. Force me out of some die you have a chicken in now. And now. Force Shalom. Awful. What is it? Ah. Is it brain or something? Ah. Yeah. Right, Cavilla. Buena canción, tío. Verder maar. Kijk. Ai. Genu. Ideal engineer. Hey. Ashkan Vantas. Oh, gaan jou kjal aan. Carrot kjær.
You did it.
Oh,
We did.
and you.
I wouldn't be here without all of you. I used to sit on Braca dreaming about storming Coruscant with survivors from the Jedi Council. Instead, the Order's hopes rest on a gambler, a fallen Jedi, and a failed Padawan. A bunch of screw-ups.
You can say that again.
BD's the only reliable one. He let Cordova wipe his memory so he could stay behind and guide us. But you're both willing to sacrifice everything. To keep going even when it seems impossible.
Failure's a part of the journey.
I get that now. Thank you. All of you.
I shouldn't have caught it on. Hafir. Right. How should it all?
Hey, wasn't there a gigantic crash ship on Zepho? Think there's any good loot in that thing?
I have some gewelle game or son's good shield me. The planet in ile or son imitach rud the nu ach. Stoch ik almer harken kejamish en gedrasta mi tirach geri kumalarm leis skielach. There sha son shini anu. Shini talk dathomir. Let's get on.
Dathomir, huh?
It's time I faced him.
Yes. You're ready to face your past.
What about you and Trilla?
I don't know if I'll ever be ready. You know what you need to do to start healing, and I'm so proud of you for that. I have my own.
I'm here for you if you need me.
Stel him in Sherlock tek. Anna sache hakin in ja. Bof. Shashin, Kimmer had also terrarium I get grease.
This Roshier looks great, Grease.
You know, it's not the origin tree or anything, but it does a job.
I like what you did with the branches.
Huh, thanks, kid. You know, you're all right. All right, kid, get out. We're here.
Dathomir of the East. Wel, gaan hij geraint boomse moet jullie gedaan. Solid.
We'll be fine. We'll be fine.
Oh, Grease. Grease wacht. Grease wacht. And we take mixer. Gidach it beeld of an objective. So can you really is gonna go to general. Okay, switch goes in Chile can chumpo. Okay. Oh, it's an ishcha. Night sisters on a hint. Well, you more than it all. King. Hier het al in re-race eigenlijk weer een woord gejaagd. Michael gaat dat nog eens snel heen. Dankjewel. Heel erg jou. Attention. God, attention. Of. Overzak. Hoe is je aan? En nu ga ik krans op je en uw arm. Dat zijn we meer. Als je strijken live, well, that's it. Ja, heel courage. Right. If I should tell a half a chin if I was I guess Karachi and if Jen, night sister. Shouldn't have been dochas. Staan we hier en uit over night sister. Pure na heiche. Nicht J van Green Sin. Ah, bounty hunters. Yuck. Clunk and bing.
You're going down.
Oh. Yuck. Okay. Right.
You are tough.
Okay.
He's quick, huh?
Right. Bing. We should clack a Google video. Oh.
Ready to die?
Yeah.
I'm here.
Oh. Yuck. Okay.
I'm not the fool with you.
Right, Ratchet and Clank.
Alright, just you and me now. Dodge this.
Oh.
Still standing, huh?
Kimmer was ich bang. Het de voet me yeah or if I sonst could be work on some BD and scan it. Oh well.
Is this
Oh
what
well.
happens for a Jedi now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You can take a hit.
Yuck.
Help me, BD.
Oh, can I go for it? Okay, slow.
Oh, come on.
What's my
Combo time. Get back here. You're going down.
yeah.
You're hurting now.
Yep.
Little help, BD.
Thank. Okay. Oh. Oh, BD so fair. Right, need to get scanning and if BD ahead. See inbreed bounty droid. Oh. Terug naar me bing kutjach. Kutjachi. Wel. Het jeetje laat ik het niet gegrijpt me. Oké. Crash gaan chimpo. Is tell hem maar een henne bij die handen terug en ach kijk. Dus moet je geven me raag henne ach het was nog keine. Tell hem naar de ja. Het was nog keine Metroid Prime 3 Corruption. Ag tuis gegeven sin how quality imitach bounty hunter ile. Ach nu sin ritkin attackers agus a iad an gatialach agus a oh hama. Lightsaber mastery, power throw, increases the range. Oh, we should scan you. Delay combo, nah, should have the switch attack. Max life increased. Stims, Nishad. Okay, expansion, incursion, rish, force hacking. Shouldn't have a key. Or me down and a key barach. Force. It's a nilakam. Right. Shoshin. Okay. J-check and Dallas died to this. Oh. The pal.
Master.
You were wrong to return here unarmed.
Not unarmed.
You think that lightsaber proves you a Jedi?
No. Chasing you. Memories that have haunted me since Braca. I won't run from them anymore.
Then let us see what manner of death your courage brings.
Oh. Wow.
You are not coward. If you cannot surpass my teaching, then you will die here. more powerful, yet you still rely on the same methods.
Okay, and you'll health back on your echo. So heal us no matter how at all.
Show me what you are truly capable of. Trust your lightsaber. Impressive. Is power the answer?
I will never forget. The loss has become a part of me. I will honor your teaching and your sacrifice.
Remember, persistence reveals the path.
Oh wow. Oh. If that. Growth map. Growth.
Your defeat is assured.
Roi sin íntena a héine dal an é Sean Master again.
You chose to return. Brave, but not wise.
Maybe. Marin, right? I'm Cal Kestis.
Fidéike.
What you were told about the Jedi was not true.
So you say. Cal. Malicos said many things too.
Terran Malicos might have been part of my order, but what he is now, I have no idea. All I do know is having a lightsaber isn't what makes you a Jedi.
Then what does?
We were peacekeepers. We were betrayed by those we protected. Hunted down by the Empire. I might be one of the last of my kind.
Het gallig die gele.
I was only a child when they attacked. An armored warrior brandishing this descended upon us and cut down my people, my sisters,
Vader.
until I was left alone with the dead. Then Malicos came and promised me revenge if I shared our secrets with him in return.
I know what it's like to lose everything. And Malicos was wrong to use that against you. We don't have to be enemies.
You will need this.
There she goes again.
I'll be watching.
Let's get out of here.
Malicos lies
Yamshin
ahead.
Malicos.
You could turn back.
I can't. Lives are at stake.
Whose lives?
Innocents. 4 sensitive children who will be hunted down and murdered.
As we were.
Let me see.
My friend,
Oh.
I have never been one to shy away from the pursuit of knowledge.
Oh. Sean a bheith géirí bh data bhí seall seo. Oh. Goddramatach. Right, Malakos.
How Kestis?
Malakos?
Welcome home. Please begin your training. What in these ruins tempts you so much to risk death?
I could ask you the same thing.
There is power there. Beyond Jedi understanding. Power I
Isn't the
control.
first actor I'm kind of,
offer you the same
kind of
thing.
cool.
Don't you understand? I'm not interested in power. I want to restore the Order.
Restore the Jedi Order. Oh, you poor fool. It's over! Jedi fell long before the Purge. We were stifled by tradition. Deafened by our past glories. Blinded by endless war.
Maybe. But it's never over, Malakos. We stand here now, with the chance to learn. To rebuild from our mistakes.
Jedi learn. There's no future for them. How can you not see that? It's time for something new. You and me. We could build something different. Something better.
No.
Dathomir will be your grave.
Shashin.
Oh, a quick one.
Mm-hmm.
Totally useless. Cannot avoid death forever. That was nothing. Right through or perish. Come on.
Yeah.
Totally useless. Cannot avoid death forever. Only cowards run.
Just get klar för att det ska.
You're
Yeah.
I'm too quick for you. Try that again.
Yeah.
Buddy!
Hey. Yeah.
Oh, you're a quick one.
Mm-hmm.
Totally.
Then again, of course. Yeah. Oh, bugger it.
Bud, Stim,
Okay. I'm again to. Just let us. Aha. Oh,
You are not powerful enough.
oh, right.
Back, Jedi. I survived worse. Fight me.
Okay. Oh, well, yeah, we Arabs back on side. Lightsaber version. Yep, Jedi.
Come on.
Okay.
Cannot avoid death forever.
Yeah.
help, BD!
I'm too quick.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, wolf. Okay.
Come! Kill me if you dare!
Okay, bheadh mí seo dhéanamh dhéist. Yep. Oh well. Hesa cí na haráin na harab. Right. Féime come tíreach cena chu. I mean, you get a block. Heck of any anyway. Yeah. Féime come back go réid in attribute fiachin rí. Rí bharabh go lua. Féitin. Dói a Jedi. Ai. Fiach sin a dhíist ma. Gus hí sin. Sail and Gudjich a night sister sin. Oh, she sin here. Okay, well. Hello, Archon.
We will end you! He died with honor. I missed!
Just wish you could find me an upgrade version of how it generates dodge like a vomit cast Gavel you find back in a force. Or we should down on a clock dodge. Which you barach na card. Well, really, it's Keenshah. Barach na card. Right, it's a
Totally useless.
Oh. Yeah, sure.
Blocking won't help.
Gosh.
Come on! Right through or perish. You're wretched. Oh, you're a quick one.
Oh, I did got aching. Hackamedy.
I hardly felt that. Come on!
Okay.
Too slow. Come on! That was nothing.
Shinai.
Good for nothing, Jedi.
Shin Misha. A shot all in the shard now. I do this via.
Strike me down.
Ah, oh, my ski.
You're too slow. Come on. That was nothing.
Hey, bud. Stim.
Stand with me! Die world!
You have no right to Dathomir. No right to our magic. Get up, Cal Kestis. You're not dead yet.
Yes.
Totally useless.
Okay. Okay.
See Padawan.
Oh, yes. Hey. Yuck.
Help, please.
Yes. Oh, can you stim severe like above? Oh, okay. Okay.
I've survived.
Oh, wolf.
Only cowards.
Tell him shot. Tell him shot. Tell him shot. Ah. Nasaske. Nasaske. Fiach mi uitrepille. Dacht toch heel lekker van die dollar als ik belocht had je geruttig. Stach ik bi. Oh man. Stel me wie savage lesje night sister him have. Shama. Ach, iach, kiano. Deref. Oh, heb ik goed al iets nach de meer hier in de stad. Stach, kishin, my chalas me a shaw, agus my chalas me a naheach gan, weet je could ditch me. Gan could me shias, I bet gan not. Cause if I shin shach it, ach, so, just, yeah, she can help to be a cow there, and you're in there, yeah. Look, ma. She knew. Sirash got Malakos. Oh, a Jedi Jenenum Bucky, Untitled agus Sith Jenenum Malakos. Couldn't you have dollar Savage and I is get Darth Bucky? Right. To the shah.
Totally useless. Only cowards run. You are not powerful enough. Fight me! Good for nothing, Jedi.
Ah.
Come on!
Shin the shad. Okay. Oh.
Decent defense.
Come! Kill me if you dare!
Stuart na gonna go to a food big father.
See, Padawan, I have focus. You cannot stop me. No one can. Oh, you're a quick one.
Mm-hmm.
Fight me!
Okay. Throat. Throat. Shouldn't it?
Will not be denied.
Ah. Mm-hmm.
Come on! I'm too quick for you. Try that again. You're wretched. You only delayed enough. Come! Kill me if you dare! See, Padawan, I am focused. I've survived.
Now you die, Malcolm. Look out!
Skilled in fencing. You are not powerful enough. Lucky hit!
Help, BD!
Hey. Oh, wolf. Hey. Oh.
Very good, Jedi.
Too slow. That was nothing.
Okay, I think you fast. Oh, wolf. Hey. Oh, wolf.
What is this?
It's like you said, Malikos. Dathomir will be your grave.
Scanial. Yes. Shine.
Let him lie in the dark with his secrets until death takes him.
Why'd you help me?
To rid Dathomir of that parasite.
Oh, wow. Oh, wolf. Defeated a former Jedi Master. Tar Malagos. Caprin via.
What are you really doing here, Cal Kestis?
The ones who built this tomb, the Zepho, they created an object called the Astrium. It opens a vault on a distant planet. Inside is a list of Force-sensitive children across the galaxy. But the Empire is looking for it too.
What Empire?
The Empire. The one bent on exterminating Force-sensitive so no one can stand against it.
Then it will come for Dathomir before long, as the war did. I will help you find this Astrium.
Thank you for helping me with Malicos. I thought I was a goner for a minute.
Yes, you would have died.
Right.
I am glad you did. It is nice to have an ally.
Yeah, I like the sound of that.
You're welcome.
Oh, Scaniel.
Don't waste time.
Guys sin fáis. So mi smen sin down and a hin. The status sin it you. Thain gus an a bhí nó chuteach gus an pàirt éileide Cluicheamaid. Sin dul chosc an éiread ní éireadh ní sin. Se bhí fáin a dodgerid sin. Precision of it. Oh, well, can it be a dasco pointy? Okay, a natip. Fiach me. Kainach a naach. I wrenching more an anahin. Sin a lightsaber urakin, agus an is sin a boomer version that le take for carriage and na banabuchach. Jola. Ach, hi na heachgan sef, is an barach de Cluicheamaid agus is an barach Jedi Òrdugh Crìon agus cheers a drasta.